everyone, I am JL
and Brianna.
Today we're going to be vlogging with Ms Donah.
Ms Donah is teaching us how to make
Salade à la Boulangère. Nous encourageons en parlant haïtien pour apprendre mieux pour faire manger haïtien. Même si yo vivent dans le pays.
Parce que les guidés dans le domaine.
What do we have here, Brianna?
We have 1 red pepper,
1 green pepper,
3 eggs,
2 hot dogs,
1 fromage,
6 carrots,
2 onions,
4 potatoes,
1 sweet peas,
a whole golden corn,
and a sour macaroni.
and a mayonnaise.
Let's get started.
Alright, so we washed up all the ingredients and we cut them. We boiled the carrots, the potatoes, and the eggs, and we cut them out petite.
And we also cut the peppers and the onions and the hot dogs, and also washed them and cut them in petit.
We boiled the macaroni also.
Mm-hmm.
We also, I think when we did all of them, we needed some little spice. So we made vinaigrette.
Vinaigrette is something to add a taste to the salade à la boulangère.
What?
This is how we made it. Let's quickly explain. We made it with a little bit of the onions and the peppers and put a little bit of salt in it.
And white vinegar. And we also added Maggi, a little Maggi. And with that, we add spice.
A little bit of vegetable oil. You can add any oil you want to.
Mm-hmm. And then we mix.
We mixed all of them to create this.
Now, all we need to do
Now all we need to do is mix them up.
Dripping like gold, you got me so wild. Dripping like gold, I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen. Dripping like gold, you got me so wild. I'm out of control. I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen. Dripping like gold, you got me so wild. I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen. Dripping like gold, dripping like gold. I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen. Dripping like gold.
Hello guys. This is the final product. If you want us to cook more videos, then
give us
let
ideas in the comments
like, subscribe,
and share.
and make sure all the notifications.
And let
are
us know
on.
if you like the recipe. This is the final product.
We added some decorations.
This
to
is
it.
very wow, guys. This is tasty, delicious. Avec Brianna
And
and
got
Jael.
the name wrong.